Welcome to the Bruce. I guess it's technically not Bruce County because we're out in Lake Huron, but we are with Bruce Peninsula Boat Tours, and this is Donna Stewart. Hello, Donna. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm awesome. Thanks for having us out here.
Good.
What a beautiful day.
It's incredible.
Is every day like this out here in Bruce County?
Just
though?
about. We try to order them up.
Okay, so take us through your boat tour. What it's all about.
Well, first we help people to know where they are. They're in the traditional territory of the Saugeen Nation. And these are a series of islands that go up the west coast of the Bruce Peninsula. There's about 70 islands that go from Chiefs Point and Sauble Beach up to Stokes Bay in North Bruce Peninsula.
So I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So I see 5 in my vantage point, a couple more over there, but there's 70 all told.
There's about 70. Some of them are just reefs and shoals. They are a combination of privately owned by First Nations, Saugeen Nation, and also some are owned by the Conservation Authority, but a very small number.
What makes this part of the province so special?
This is an amazing part of the Great Lakes. The Great Lakes are amazing. We have more fresh water than any other place in the world. And we're so very lucky. But the geography here really affects the way this place was formed and the things that have happened here, both naturally and historically. It's fascinating. It's absolutely beautiful.
And your tour you're fairly new to the tour, right? Like how many years have you been doing this now?
Well, my husband's doing this a long time as a hobby. I can't get him off the water. He just has too much fun. And so we really love being on the water, but we've started sharing it a little bit more, promoting a little more the last few years.
So how long would the tour be?
The tour is an hour and a half long.
Okay.
We go out 3 times a day, 7 days a week. And we just have a wonderful time. It's a guided commentary. We tell people all about the history, the geography, the coastal environment here that makes it so special. We have a big history here of, in the 1800s, of the fishing industry that took place here that started with it being the fishing islands of the Saugeen Nation. And then white settlers came and there was industry that came around that. And of course, all kinds of things went on during that time period on the Bruce Peninsula. And it's just some wonderful, colorful, and beautiful, rich stories.
Are you getting local people? Are you getting people from all across the province, all across Canada?
Yes, we're getting both.
Do you get internationals coming around these parts too?
Yes, we do. We certainly do. And they, of course, are blown away when they see the Great Lakes. They want to know if this is the Atlantic Ocean. And it's gorgeous.
Well, it's great too, even people that live in the province too, because a lot of people don't even know that this is here. So we're going to be hanging out here for the day. Have you done any kiteboarding before, Donna?
Have to say so.
Yeah?
You know, you got to watch it when Bruce Peninsula Boat Tours shuts down because it's too windy. You might find us on a kite.
Okay, well maybe you can give me some tips because that's what we're doing in the next half hour when we come back to Bruce County on Morning Live.